Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mallu with you. Today I am introducing one multifunction tool. Actually, I brought this from the scrap market. I paid $3 for this. Let us see how is it. There is a pouch also for this. It's nice and strong. It's worth it for $3. Strong hammer. It's a little heavy. Also a grip plier and cutting plier. What is inside? There's a knife and a star screwdriver, one saw, small spanner set, there's another saw. Can put it inside. It's a worker for your belt. It's nice. I like it. Thank you for watching.